for the local people, it's been terrible. These people, they are fishermen, they are boat operators, they are divers, they live from the sea and they eat from the sea. The government has had to close a school because the smell is terrible. It's detrimental to the health of the people there. Unfortunately, the oil trail is right next to an island called Île aux Aigrettes, which is a natural reserve with endemic and endangered species there. It's going to prove to be quite a challenge to protect them now, given the spill is just next to it.
に大変なご迷惑とご心配をおかけしておりますことを心より深くお詫び申し上げます。
この島に近寄りすぎた原因が何なのかというのをこれから究明していくところでございます。